Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are highly appreciated. Welcome to my channel. We love all things home and adventure here, from beautiful homeware to camping essentials and outdoor fun. Please subscribe and let's create comfort wherever we go. Today, guys, we'll be unboxing something really exciting, the brand new DJI Mic Mini. So I got a mic for my channel so that we can engage more when I'm doing my homeware videos in stores. So I'll be able to speak about what we see on screen. So here I was trying to figure out how to open the box, but eventually I managed to get it open. Then let's see what is inside. Okay, first thing, I think this is the manual. Yeah, that's the manual book. And let's open this thing. I think this is that's the manual book. Right away, packaging feels premium. It is soft. The pouch looks proper. It looks well made, sleek, classic DJI style. I love how it feels. Even though I wish they made these pouches available to buy for other gadgets that you have, just for protection and for storage. Because some of the gadgets, yes, they do come in boxes, but they don't include a pouch like this for storage. So I honestly feel like it was gonna be awesome to buy these pouches separately for other gadgets. So inside that cute little pouch, there's this box here that contains all our gadgets inside. So as we open it, you can see a port at the back. So that is for charging. So all of the gadgets inside, they all charge simultaneously. So you just press that little button to open. Look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? I think it looks awesome. So this little thing here is, I believe it's called the transmitter. I believe this is called the transmitter. And these little two guys on the sides, they are your mics. So there's mic 1 and mic 2. There's two mics included in the box. So I was struggling to get this thing out of the box. It is the receiver, so that's what you plug at the bottom of your phone to plug in the transmitter to your phone. So in the small package, we have our windscreens. So most of the time, I see people plugging these onto their mics when they are vlogging outside. So I believe this is to eliminate the sound of the wind from your sound. And we've got this other package with cables inside. They included cables inside. The one cable is for charging the small box of our gadgets, and the other cable, I haven't figured out what the other cable is for, but I will definitely figure that one out as I go on. I haven't figured out a lot of things with this Mic Mini. I haven't used it as much yet, but I'm really impressed with how easy it is to pair and the audio quality. As I'm recording, my toddler is watching TV. She's not that far away from me, but you can't really hear the sound of the TV. So that is really impressive. I'm impressed with how it eliminates the background noise. So that is very impressive. So that's our quick unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.